In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord website not loading. If the Discord website isn't loading in your browser, don't worry. This is a common issue and is often caused by browser data, extensions, network settings, or a temporary problem with Discord itself. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that can help you get the Discord website working again. Before changing any settings on your computer, the first thing you should do is check whether Discord is experiencing an outage. Open a new browser tab and visit Discord's official status page. This page shows the current status of Discord's website, login services, and other systems. If there's an ongoing outage, the issue isn't on your end, and the best option is simply to wait until Discord restores the service. If everything looks normal, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes prevent websites from loading correctly. If you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner, choose the option to delete browsing data, then select both cached images and files, and cookies and other site data before clearing them. After the process is complete, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try accessing Discord again. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, open the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll to the Cookies and Site Data section, select Clear Data, make sure both cookies and cached web content are selected, and confirm the action. Once that's finished, reload the Discord website and check whether it loads normally. If Discord still isn't loading, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons can sometimes interfere with websites. Open your browser's extension manager and temporarily disable extensions that could affect web pages. Refresh Discord after doing this. If the website starts working, enable your extensions one at a time until you identify the one causing the problem. You should also check whether you're connected through a VPN or proxy. In some cases, these services can interfere with Discord and cause loading problems or repeated refresh loops. Temporarily disconnect the VPN or proxy and try opening Discord again. It's also worth checking whether your antivirus or internet security software includes web protection that could be blocking the site. If it does, briefly disable that feature and test the website again. Another helpful troubleshooting step is opening Discord in a private browsing window or using a different browser. If the website works there, the issue is most likely related to your primary browser's settings, extensions, or stored data. By checking Discord's service status, clearing your browser data, disabling extensions, testing without a VPN or proxy, and trying another browser, you can resolve most issues that prevent the Discord website from loading. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,